In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to merge tickets in Zendesk. Merging tickets is really helpful when you have duplicate requests from the same customer, or when several tickets are actually about the same issue. Instead of managing them separately, you can combine them into a single conversation. This keeps your workspace tidy, avoids confusion, and makes it easier to give a clear, consistent response. Let's start from your Zendesk support dashboard. Once you're logged in, look over to the left-hand side of the screen for the sidebar. In that sidebar, find and click on the option labeled Views. Views are basically filtered lists of tickets, and this is where you'll go to find the tickets you want to work with. From the list that appears, choose a view that contains the ticket you want to merge, then click on that ticket to open it. With the ticket open, move your attention to the top right area of the ticket interface. Here you'll see a More Options icon, usually represented by 3 dots or a similar symbol. Click on that icon to open a drop-down menu. From this menu, select the option that says Merge into another ticket. As soon as you click this, a pop-up window will appear. In this pop-up, you'll have a field where you can type the ticket ID you want to merge into. This is the ticket that will remain open and contain the combined conversation. If you don't remember the exact ID, Zendesk often shows a list of your recently viewed tickets here as well, so you can choose the correct one from that list instead of typing it out. Take a moment to make sure you're selecting the right target ticket, because merges can't easily be undone. After you choose the destination ticket, a confirmation pop-up will appear. This step is important because it gives you one last chance to review what you're about to merge. When you're ready, click Continue Merge. The pop-up will then refresh and show you more detail. You'll see which tickets are being merged together and the comments from the ticket that will be closed. This helps you double-check that no important information will be lost. If everything looks correct and you're happy with the selection, go ahead and click Confirm and Merge. Zendesk will complete the merge, closing the original ticket and combining its information into the destination ticket, so you have one clean, unified thread to work from.